Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery at the end of the day, and I have discovered that I have a cup of color, and I don't think I need much of anything to make that work, except for I'm going to do an inversion pour because I can. So I'm going to go ahead and put down a, which way do I want to do that? That's in the way, that's in the way. Yeah, let's do it this way. Just use up my nice colors and maybe even put a few others in there. That's probably too much paint. Chances are good. Oh well, never mind. So, rather than do anything else, I'm not going to put any more paint on the canvas. I'm just going to use this one puddle of black to spread this paint all over. There we go. That's all I'm going to do. I do have enough beautiful paint left in my cup so that if I want to use that in a minute for any reason, I'll just keep that handy. I even put it in something so it's all down on one edge. I've got an edge catcher. I don't really expect this to take long. I did put my torch away. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Probably don't need to pop any bubbles, but we might encourage a few cells. There's a bronze in there from Sargent's. There's a green color shift from Folk Art. Here are my glasses, that's cool. There's a purple from Folk Art. That's a color shifting purple. Whatever paint I have left, I will just leave on an edge catcher. I want a smaller edge catcher. And I have one. Yes. Very good. I'm getting some incredibly beautiful cells. Some strange colors, but that's okay. The dogs are playing. I'm going to be a slow tipper for a change. It's a big change. Just going to let all of this get as close to the edge as I can. This is really different. Nice cells though. I believe the cells are probably because there was black enamel in there. This might be one of the few times when I actually contemplate whether I want to pour some paint off to save what's left. But I don't have to. I can just bring that paint right up to the edge on all sides and let it touch on the edge catcher when I get around to using it. But I can understand why somebody might want to pour some of this away. And I think I'm going to start just that way. I'm going to squeeze that back on. Let it go down here again. I liked the negative space that was being created by that black. So if I can get it back, that's okay with me. And I like this up here. I don't really want to lose that. At any given point in time also, I can use the paint that I have on the edge catcher to help cover the edge, and I could squeeze it back on. I'm gonna lose my thumb hold in a second. I do want to send that really cool bunch of cells right back down into the painting. I don't mind having paint left on my edge catcher. I can always do something with that. Love using the enamels. I use a Folk Art gloss black and a white. I've used the satin, and I don't think I prefer it. And it's not, it's $1 more or something. I don't want to lose that black at all. I don't want to lose all of those cells in there either. So I'm just going to keep watching what I'm doing. And then I'm going to have to put my thumb in something. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I can always put something else in there. I want all that blue color. I want to tell you what. I want it all, and I want to use the color I have on my edge catcher to lead the rest of that paint down over the side. So I'm just going to do that, exactly that. See how that works. I should be able to tip toward that edge in a second. Should also be able to use that right here without a problem. And I think I have most of my sides covered. And my corners are covered. I have nothing showing. I'm going to stick that in the bucket. Got one little edge showing, I lied. I'm going to let all this go down. Hopefully. I think all the blooming stuff that I've been practicing has definitely helped me get closer to what I want as far as tipping goes, teaching me to tip more thoroughly. I want all that to go to the edge and come back. I don't want to lose it. And I love that purple in there, so I really don't want to lose anything else in here. That's awesome. Thank you guys for joining me. I do sell my artwork, and my email is right under the video. If you're interested in making a purchase, please email me. If you're interested in a class, I teach at my studio in Spring Hill, Florida. I'll give you information when you request it. Teespring clothing under the video has got all of our print leggings and t-shirts and more, and that's my stuff. If you shop there, you help me out. Speaking of helping me out, if you want to join the monthly drawing, it's a $10 minimum to get in, and if you donate, I will send you a receipt of that. You can right now see, oh, the cells are so cool. Right now you can see the exhibition video on the end screen, and if you happen to be the winner of the drawing, you get to choose 3 of the paintings, at least if that's the one it applies to. I'm going to try and run this probably soon rather than later, so maybe that will still be true. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio saying, please watch the videos longer. It helps the YouTube algorithm give me better placement, and it might help me stay at YouTube because I'm not making a living here anymore. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Thank you for contributing in the past. You definitely kept me painting for a long time, which I really appreciate. Can I have a thumbs up? Pretty please. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. It might help me out. Thank you very much. And Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors. The first one is for students. The second one is for shopping. The third one is for seeing what I've edited as far as YouTube wet and dry artworks go. Oh, you know what? That's so funny. I have more paint. I have more paint and a desire not to waste it, which is kind of cool at this point because I'm not hating what it's looking like. And I added a little bit of color and some more pattern. I can just pull that right down there. And since I'm not sticking too many tools in there, it shouldn't hurt it that I already torched. I can do my other edge, and then I will just save the rest of this paint for a skin. And we'll turn that right upside down right now and let it drain out. I love you guys. There's almost 86,000 of you. Thank you for stopping. And check the community board for tomorrow's video, or the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and you will find what's going to come tomorrow. See you anon? Wow, that's really far away. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay then. That was probably foolish. I may not post that sooner than later, and I can't blame you if you didn't like it. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Live and learn.